In this video, I'm going to be carving another bird stamp, and there's not going to be any instruction here. It's going to be solely for your viewing pleasure. And I want to provide just sharing the process and hopefully a good dose of inspiration. Okay, so a note about my carving style. I am not a precision carver. I find I like to let the stamp have its unique qualities and its personality that gets revealed along the way of what the blade sort of does while I'm carving. And I don't try to hide the imperfections of the stamp carving process or things that happen along the way. And that being said, you're going to see what I'm talking about when I get to the top of the bird's head, and it sort of does its own thing, but you'll see what I'm talking about in the video. So enough talking, I'm going to push play, put some music on, and we're going to watch me carve a bird stamp. I'll see you at the end of the video. I think this little guy turned out so cool. I like his little wispies that happened on top of his head, which I didn't plan. And I think that's what makes him even more special and brought him more personality. And that was what I was talking about in the beginning of the video. You just can't let the little glitches that happen along the way of the unforgiving process of stamp carving to throw you off the rails. Just keep going, and you'll find that those sort of imperfections are going to be the things that you are really drawn to as you start making your own images and own your own mark making style. So I think you get my point. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. I love you all. I'm so glad you're here, and go out and have a good day, have a good evening, have a good year. It's 2020. Ugh. Anyway, this is YouTube. You guys know what to do if you want to see more of my stuff. So thanks for watching.